Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called GPTVoicer, which is a first to market ultimate content creation tool powered with ChatGPT, experience lighting, fast results and generate high quality content, videos and voiceovers. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.